Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $9,000 level. We are currently ranked at 238 with a market cap of about $299 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about $59 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So in the last 24 hours, we are down about 0.1%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. Right, so we are on the chart for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame, right? And one of the things we can see, the first massive red flag we are seeing is that our trending EMAs have flipped bearish, right? And if we just flip over to the weekly right here, from the weekly, as you can see, this formation right here is quite a very bearish formation with a massive point that we could see prices right back around the $7,300, right? This is the weekly time frame right here for YFI. If we flip over to the daily is showing that we could see prices push as low as this $7,300 level. As you can see, our EMAs, trending EMAs have flipped bearish. The last time this happened, as you can see, we saw that push right back into the $7,003 or $100 level. So currently, we could see prices go as low as the $7,400 level, because if we just flip to the volume profile, the volume profile continued to see massive bearish price action, even with that bounce which we saw yesterday, showing that we probably are more bearish, especially for the fact that we are still seeing the momentum shifting in favor of the bears, right? So you want to be very careful, probably taking profit on your positions and probably buying back later, as this is a very massive warning or massive trap that we could see even more downside right here for YFI. So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.